Hey guys, I'm back with another great video, and if you're looking for a salad to accompany your lunch or dinner, and it's really clean but tasty, and it just kind of feels like your vibration is like raising up to another level, then you're going to want to try this recipe. So I'm lately a little bit consumed with kale. I don't know, I can't get enough kale in my diet and I'm loving it. So I buy it in the bag because sometimes it's a pain and we're all on this time constraints. So I have these little magic scissors. So even when I get my bagged kale, I feel like the pieces are too big for my mouth. I like things small and I feel like everything tastes better. So it's really worth the investment to get some of these scissors and just go through it and chop it up and just get the pieces nice and small. So I'll show you. So there's my kale. And look how green it is. I feel like my heart is just opening. Liver, kidneys are just cleansing when you eat this type of salad. And I'm not even using an expensive or heavily, toxic salad dressing. It's really hard to buy a good salad dressing in the store. You're best off buying your own or making your own. So I'm gonna take a lemon off my tree. Did you see how mega big this was? My tree is abundant. So I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice over it, all right? And then we're gonna massage the kale. So a good kale salad, it has to be massaged. So I'm getting all my lemons in it because the lemon breaks down the kale. And this is such a great raw salad. So there's nothing in here that's gonna be cooked. So the digestive enzymes for the stomach, we get more nutrients and everything when we eat raw. So combine that in your diet. So today I'm making sweet potatoes. I've got my turmeric cauliflower roasting in the oven. And then we're gonna have this really great salad. So, whoops, that's in there. And I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm going to just massage it. Just squeeze, 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 squeeze. And you're gonna see it start to break down. And you might need to even add extra kale if there's more people and you're like, okay, that's not gonna be enough salad. So just decide. So I'm giving it a nice little massage. Here's where the magic comes in. So I'm not a complete vegetarian or vegan. 85% of my diet is pretty much vegan. So I love this vegan Parmesan. Get this, get this. And also get this Nuchit cashew grated cheese. All right, so I'm going to bathe my kale in it. And it's just brewer's yeast and ground up sunflower seeds and nutritional, lots of B vitamins. So if you are a complete vegetarian or vegan, you're going to want to add it. I like to mix things. So even if I'm making a salad dressing, sometimes I will mix up the two components. I'm gonna add in some raw sunflower seeds, okay? So we're staying in the raw family. So we're getting all the nutrients. So I'm putting some sunflower seeds. I don't need all those. And the other little go-to that's in my pantry right now are these hemp. Actually, I'm almost out of them. I use them on everything. And they're so tasty and they just kind of amplify, again, a lot of protein. I'm gonna use the rest of my bag up. So there's for just 1.5 teaspoons, there's 4 grams of protein. So it's a keeper, it's a keeper. Then a little pepper. Now you can add your avocado in the salad and kind of have it mushed up in there if you want, or you can just do it on the side. So I'm making these macrobiotic bowls today, so I'm gonna have that kind of layered on the top. So stay tuned to photos coming up on my Instagram. Make sure that you go on and subscribe and make sure that you don't miss any of these buttons. Hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think when you try these recipes. So I'm just tossing this up. And we know that, we're doing Kundalini and I teach Kundalini yoga. And please jump on and get your 2 weeks for free. Why wouldn't you? I do moon rituals. We have a great forum and a spiritual chat room and things to raise your energy, to keep you balanced during this shift that's happening. So we're here to stay in the light. So here is a wonderful kale salad. It looks plain, but let me just tell you, it's really addicting. So I want to hear what you guys think. If you want more of these, make sure you hit the button. Go to my link down below, mylisavita.com, and come over and join the spiritual toolbox and become a member. And we have so many wonderful things going on in the membership that why would you not want to just come try 2 weeks? So more recipes coming to feed you. We need tools across the board, spiritual tools, feeding how we eat, how we manage our body, self-love. So more and more is coming up. So make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything in your email box. Have a wonderful day. Love to you all. Namaste.